Hello, today our topic of discussion is source and impurities of water. Water. Pure water is colorless, tasteless, odorless. It is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Because water becomes contaminated by the substance with which it comes into contact, it is not available for use in its pure state. Sources of water. There are mainly four sources of water. First one, rainwater. Second one, frozen water. Third one, surface water. And last one, groundwater. Rainwater. It is the purest form of water. It dissolves considerable amount of gases and suspended solid impurities from the atmosphere during its downward journey. Frozen water. Several schemas have been proposed to make the use of icebergs as a water source. However, to date this has only been done for a novelty purpose. The Himalayas, which are often called the roof of the world, containing some of the most extensive and rough high altitude area on the earth as well as the greatest area of glaciers and permafrost outside the poles. Surface water. Surface water is a water on the surface of the planet such as river, lake, wetland or ocean. It can be contrasted with groundwater and atmospheric water. Non-saline surface water is replenished by the precipitation and by the recruitment from the groundwater. It is lost through the evaporation, seepage into ground where it becomes groundwater, used by the plants for transpiration, extracted by the mankind for agriculture, living, industry, etc. or discharged to the seawater where it becomes saline. For example, lake, ponds, streams and rivers. River water means it consists of considerable amount of a dissolved gas, colloidal impurities, dissolved minerals and biological impurities. The composition of a river water is not constant. Lake water means the chemical composition of a lake water is constant. It contains majorly organic matter but fewer amount of dissolved minerals. Seawater means it is the most impure form of natural water. Groundwater. It is the water present beneath the earth's surface in the soil pore spaces and in the fractures of rock formation. For example, open wells, tube wells, artesian wells and infiltration galleries. This is regarding the sources of water. Next move on to the impurities of water. Impurities. Nature of impurities in a water. First one, dissolved gases. Most of the water consists of dissolved gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. Oxygen and carbon dioxide leads to boiler corrosion. Ammonia and hydrogen sulfate gives bad smell to the water. Second one is suspended impurities. They are insoluble impurities which can be removed by primary treatment. There are mainly two types. First one, clay, silica and oxides of iron are inorganic impurities. Second one, wood and disintegrated part of the dead animals are organic impurities. Third one is biological impurities. It consists of mainly microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, algae and fungi. They are mainly responsible for waterborne diseases. Disinfectants are used to remove the microorganism. Fourth point is dissolved mineral salt. These are the soluble impurities in a water include carbonate, bicarbonate, chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, oxides of iron and lead, etc. They are removed by RO system. Fifth one is organic matter. It includes vegetable and animal matter, that is decay plants and animals. Sixth one is colloidal impurities. The solid impurities which are present in a water is finally divided state and constitute the colloidal impurities. They consisting of protein, amino acid, ferric hydroxide, clay and lumic acid. These are removed by the coagulation. These are regarding the impurities of water. I think you all are clear with this topic. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.